Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely 218i M Sport. Now this is a massive spec car, finished in the best colour, which is grey metallic. Superb spec, so full exterior black package. So the front grills there in the gloss black. Obviously we've got the signature LED daytime running lights. We're riding on 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels. They're all in very nice order. Riding on very nice chunky tyres. Now, I said this is a big spec car, so we've got the M Sport braking system. So your brake calipers there finished in a nice bright blue, which just pop out of the wheels. Looking down the side of the vehicle, we've got the M Performance decals. We've got black mirror caps on this one. We've got black window surrounds. We've got privacy glass on this one as well. We've got the nice boot lip spoiler in the gloss black. Coming through to the back, 218i badging. We've got rear parking sensors. And then looking through into the boot, we've got loads of luggage space, split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. But as you can tell, looking around the car, bodywork wise, paint work wise, it's a very tidy car. So no signs of any sort of dents, no large scratches, and we are just about to put this car into the showroom. So when you come down, you'll see it in dry conditions under harsh showroom light. So coming inside then, Alcantara suede cloth sport seats. I do like a BMW seat because they're fully adjustable. So 6-way adjustments on the driver and passenger seat. In the back then, very comfortable seating for two. And then fit and finish is superb. So we've got, once you jump inside, start the car up, rumbles into action. Now, as we're doing the video today, vehicle is covered just shy of 58,000 miles. We've got a leather multifunction steering wheel, so on there's our limiter, our voice command, volume and media controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got our onboard computer. This one's got the Harman-Kardon surround sound system. Lots of gloss black detailing inside as well. And then looking through to the center screen, we've got our media and radio, so full DAB radio, got a CD player, all your music streaming. This one's got satellite navigation as well, so we've got our maps on there, connected drive, my vehicle, climate control with air conditioning, 6-speed manual transmission, Sport modes, Eco Pro, Sport Plus, all the center scroll wheel for the display up ahead, auto dimming rear view mirror, and the list goes on and on and on. So if you'd like any further information on this car, give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.